Welcome to the Keller ITS online service. In this video, we introduce our application solution Cellar Combustion, which is developed and designed for the measurement tasks in combustion plants with solid fuel. Within the framework of legal regulations and approval requirements, the limit values for NOx emissions are being reduced further and further. In addition, the pressure on operators of thermal incineration plants to reduce operating costs is increasing. At the same time, efforts are being made to increase the efficiency of the boiler and minimize wear on the furnace walls. The correct reading of the temperature in the furnace plays a decisive role in the optimization possibilities. Thermocouples are measuring the temperature in the area close to the wall. However, this does not correspond to the internal temperature in the boiler, especially if the walls are equipped with heat exchangers. The inertia of thermocouples lead to large fluctuations in the process control. Thermocouples also have the physical problem of aging and slowly increasing measurement uncertainty. As a result, thermocouples must be replaced regularly, leading to permanent consumption costs. The smart alternative for this measurement task is the use of an infrared pyrometer which records temperatures more quickly, has a longer service life and is therefore more cost-effective and eco-friendly. The complexity of the combustion process requires the selection of a suitable pyrometer. Depending on the measurement location, Keller ITS can offer the appropriate solution which differs in spectral sensitivity and measurement method. Let's take a look at the common measuring points one by one. The first measuring location refers to the measurement of the fire bed. The second is the measurement of the sooting flame. The measurement of the hot flue gas is carried out at the third and fourth measuring location in the boiler and can optionally be done with low or high viewing depth of the pyrometer. The fifth measuring point is often a decisive measuring point for the detection of pollutant emissions after the main combustion zone, and at the sixth measuring point, the heat exchangers are monitored. There are further possibilities for using the pyrometer to optimize the furnace. For example, to obtain a two-dimensional picture of the symmetry of the temperature distribution in the furnace chamber. Optimizations for the air supply or the ammonia injection, among other things, can be derived from this. In this case, please contact us directly to show you the possibilities for your individual requirements. Let's summarize again why it is so important to measure the temperature along the combustion process and what problems and optimization gaps arise if no measurement is taken. Fluctuating to low or too high temperatures cause negative effects inside the combustion chamber. This results in significant falling or premature wear of the refractory lining. The NOx concentration is too high, which, however, is usually under legal minimum requirements. The charging of the grate is random and cannot be optimized. The heat exchangers work inefficiently due to heavy falling and wear out faster. Inhomogeneous burnouts can occur within the furnace. High dust ingress in the flue gas, and the timing of online cleaning cannot be determined. These are all clear indications that optical temperature measurement is an important progressive gain for your combustion process. Let's see what mounting and protection accessories are recommended for industrial use of the measurement system. First, of course, it includes the appropriate pyrometer. In addition, all systems are consisting of a standardized flange as well as an air purge to protect against heat and dirt. User-friendly is the included bayonet coupling, which allows easy exchange of the devices or changing of the included protection window without having to interfere or interrupt the process. Maintenance made easy. And if you need a cooling or protective housing, we can of course also supply this in the appropriate variant or retrofit it if required. But what are the advantages and USPs of Keller devices? Well, first of all, Keller devices provide a stable measurement signal even under adverse conditions. In addition, no moving parts are installed, which makes them maintenance-free and results in a higher durability. Thanks to the I/O link, various diagnostic data can be determined or parameters can be set via the PLC. We are the only supplier of portable pyrometers for incinerators and have a wide range of flanges for customers' adaptation to our system. But the most important reason for choosing Keller pyrometers are the fast and easy to use system due to the bayonet coupling for fast maintenance and the optimized air purge for considerably less air requirement and thus lower operating costs. Not to forget, of course, the price structure. Keller systems are available for much less than other optical or acoustical measurement solutions. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a great success. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Your Keller ITS Salesforce.